Hi, I'm Gavin Hodgson, fly fishing instructor and manager of Granger's Fishing Tackle here in South Kensington, London. We're going to talk you through some of the techniques and tips and help you get started in fishing. Okay, so whatever we're tying on, like I say, there are a multiple of knots that we try not to complicate things with. If we stick with the same knot, the clinch knot, and count the turns. Through the eye of the hook, 1 turn, 2 turn, 3 turn, 4 turn. For most knots and most nylons, that's enough. Through the bottom of the knot. The important part, which many people miss out, it's not as important on heavy monos, but on finer lines. This section here, the tuck, which goes back through the main knot, that will stop the knot slipping. So as we let that knot configure and tighten up, we always wet the knot. A little bit of lubrication to help the knot slide, and it stops it overheating, which would then cause the knot to be brittle. Once that knot's tight, you can see it is a barrel of turns. A barrel of turns of the nylon, and then when we cut that there, leave a little tag, which mono it cuts easy, braid it doesn't.